Hello, and welcome back to our networking series. We've journeyed through the intricate layers of computer networking, from the physical layer to the transport layer. Today, we're reaching the final frontier, the application layer. Get ready to explore how applications, web browsers, and servers send and receive data over the internet. Before we dive into the application layer, let's recap what we've learned so far in our OSI model. We've gone from understanding how electrical and optical signals travel through cables in the physical layer to how computers communicate using Ethernet at the data link layer. We've also explored how IP connects different networks at the network layer and how the transport layer ensures proper data delivery. Today, we tackle the application layer. The application layer is where the action happens. It's the realm of applications, web browsers, and servers. Here, data is divided into segments, much like digital envelopes that carry information from one application to another. These segments are the lifeblood of the application layer. Whether you're streaming videos on Netflix, surfing the web, or printing a document, all these actions occur at this layer. But what's in these segments, you ask? Inside these segments is the actual content of the data that applications want to share. It could be the text and images of a web page, the streaming video from your PlayStation to Netflix servers, or even the document your word processor sends to a printer. The application layer is where the magic of data exchange happens. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The application layer is incredibly diverse. Unlike the lower layers with their standardized protocols, here you'll find a vast array of protocols, each serving different purposes. At the data link layer, it's all about Ethernet. In the network layer, IP is king, while the transport layer is dominated by TCP and UDP. However, when we reach the application layer, it's like a cultural melting pot of protocols. This diversity isn't without its challenges. With countless applications and evolving technologies, new protocols are developed constantly to accommodate different needs. It's a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Despite this diversity, there's one critical concept to grasp: standardization. No matter which web browser you use or which server hosts your favorite website, they must speak the same language to understand each other. Let's take web browsers and servers as an example. You have a variety of browsers like Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. On the server side, there's Microsoft IIS, Apache, and Jinx. But for web traffic, they all communicate through a standardized protocol known as HTTP, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. To wrap it up, the application layer is where the internet truly comes alive. It's the place where your favorite apps and websites communicate with one another, thanks to standardized protocols. As we conclude our journey through the OSI model, we hope you now have a clearer understanding of how these layers collaborate to make the internet the incredible network that it is. That's it for today's lesson on the application layer. If you found this video informative, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Feel free to drop your questions and comments below. Thank you for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video as we continue to unravel the fascinating world of computer networking.